Hey Jess, it's me, Matt. It's been a while. I wanted to know if you wanted to meet up. Look, I want a chance to apologise. Just give me a call. Hey, me again. Just checking if you're up for lunch. You didn't return my call, so please, Jess, call me back. Jess, I know you probably don't want to speak to me, but I just need to know if you're okay. You don't even have to see me, a phone call, a text, anything. Hey, Jess! I'm just calling to tell you something. You are incredible, but you've been ignoring me. Jess, I have no clue where I am right now. Michael, Mike. Anyway, I've got to go. Mike! Hello? Hello? Jess, it's the answer machine. I guess you don't really want to speak to me then. This is the last time I call you, I promise. Just one last thing. Jess, I love you.